Hey everybody. Well, I got some more work done on the Nova. You can see you got the new front end on there, new disc brakes and upper and lower control arms and all the steering new. Hey, what else I got done? I got all the rust out repair done on her. I got new toe kicks in there. They're been replaced. And let's see what else. We got new trunk floor pan in. She's all ready to go. I just got to get her cleaned up, and I'm gonna hit the inside and with the primer. Everything's gonna get primed. Gotta get the inside of the floorboards all primed, and gotta get some sound deadener on the roof, and then once I get the bottom primed, I'll get the sound deadener in the on the floorboards and get that done. Then I can paint the well, before I put the sound deadener in, I'll paint all the frames, the inner frames. I got to get them all scuffed up, get them sanded, and get them painted with silver. I'll get the dash painted and ready to go. Oh, the back deck here, get it all painted. Oh, let's see, the trunk, get the sound deadener in there after I get it primed. What else we got going? I got the new, we got new rear springs on it. The rear springs and shocks are all installed, ready to go. Got a set of Z28 wheels that I painted silver, and they look pretty good on there. Up next, we start to get the interior put back together. Get the carpet in, and let's see, get the carpet in, get the headliner in, get the rear side panels in there, get the glass back in the sides. Oh no, I won't. Not until I get I'm not going to put any glass in until I get her completely painted. So, but she'll be all masked off completely. But so anyway, that's where I'm at with this. I got a lot of cleaning to do on the thing, and here's all the pieces that hold the headliner in. These things, I mean, they're solid, but they just got a lot of rust. You got to get cleaned off. Got to get the rust cleaned off of those and everything. And I started cleaning the front inner pieces on the front clip, the inner fender wells and that type of stuff out front, the rad support. Got that cleaned up and ready for primer. And I can start getting this front end put back together. Get ready to well, let's see, I got to do rust out repair on the couple spots on the front quarters, and a couple little patches on the doors, and that's about it. Let's see what we got on this door here. yeah, I got one spot that I gotta cut out and replace on this door skin right there. But the rest of it's in pretty good shape. I mean, there's no dents or nothing in it. I haven't taken off the inner door panel yet. And then for the driver's door, I've got a different door for that. It has no rust on it at all. It's just got, it's got to be stripped down because it's got some phony paint on it, and it has a little dent right here by the mirror. But other than that, get those stripped and get these doors painted, front quarters painted, and we're getting there. And pretty soon we'll be ready to start assembly. So that'll do it until the next update. And so remember, don't ever run out of projects. Take care, everybody.